Festool has been innovating exceptional power tools for 100 years. Because like any true professional, we know that good enough is never enough. You're always pushing to reach the next level, and your tools need to keep up. Festool is built better to help you build better. With professional-grade power, maximum precision, and durability you can count on to deliver clean cuts, seamless joints, and perfect finishes for years to come. You deserve tools built with the same eye for detail and uncompromising performance you bring to every job. It's time to demand better. Festool. Built better for 100 years.